First, we start by roasting our peppers. Pepper makes everything. No? So I'm just going to make it 35 to 40 minutes. We're going to roast it. We do not want it to get very, very, black or so, but we want it to look shriveled and, dried out, and just a little bit of dark spots here and there. So we're just going to go do that. This is some minutes later. You can see that I didn't add any water to it, and you see that some of the water. So next I'm just going to add, you can either add like water or some more stock. I actually have this stock that I made. It's a flavorless stock, and I made it some few videos back, so I will link it here if you want to watch how I made it, like an Asian, inspired style. And since I just have it, I just thought to use it instead of water, but usually you just put water in. So just put some water and try not to put too much so that it won't, get too diluted. And increase the heat a little bit to 7. Because this is chicken wings, it cooks very quickly. You can use any other part of the chicken that you prefer. I just use chicken wings. So after this, we're just going to fry it. Then we'll sieve the stock so that we'll use it for the jollof rice. So we're just going to go blend this up with my Nigerian blender, and we'll come back and do the remaining. So I'll just show you guys the end result. This delicious stock. So these are done. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned it. Please do not use metal or non-stick. I know I'm doing it right now, but I'm just using it to transfer the meat because the chicken, because I don't have another, I don't have a silicone or wooden tongue. So that's why I'm doing this. And as you can see, I'm not bringing the tongue in close contact with the pan so it doesn't spread it. Yeah, by the way, we're going to remove, if you can sieve the oil so it's smooth. We're going to remove it. So now we're just going to go straight to the jollof rice action. Okay, so have our pot, and we're going to strain this oil. And let's and we can do the cutting sponge. Not to use too much tomato. Did not trying to get rid of that acidic taste will just be a long process for it. No. Alright. So now it's even burning a little bit, but that's okay. If you taste it now, you'll see that it has a very bland taste. You just oh my goodness. It's still on low heat because I honestly do not want this to splash all over me. So I'll just quickly season it, turn on the heat, then cover it. I don't need to season it like overly well because remember we're still going to add in that stock. A bit more oil. So what I'll do is that I'll just use oil paper and like this because I don't want it to splash all over because when we turn on the heat, this thing is going to splash a lot like a knife. So raise the heat to like medium, and we're just going to let this cook a little bit. So we're about to check on it now. So just give you guys a close up of what it looks like. You see it's fried now, and it's okay. It's very okay. The bottom, if you feel that the bottom is a bit burnt or stuff, don't scrape it off because you know, as we always say, jollof rice will burn, and it should burn because that's how you will actually have that, you know, that patty jollof taste. Now, if you taste your jollof rice, if you taste your stew now, your stew base now, it should actually taste like it should immediately like remind you of like a patty jollof rice because this is the base. Now, if you're not sure, because now we're going to be adding in the rice, if you're not sure that it's going to be a bit too much for your rice, what you can do, this is just a very smart trick that will help you. What you can do is just remove and save some part of the stew base, the parts to the amount that you are like confident in. Then when you add it in, when you stir the rice in, you will now check if maybe you need more of that stew base or not, or you can just save the stew base for later. Rice. There. Like I said, I'm going to need the stew base. So do you understand me? So you just keep adding to the amount now, because what we want now, we want each of the rice granules to be well coated in sauce. Make sure you try your best to use a wooden, spatula or spoon here, so that the granules don't break. And be careful not to scrape the bottom of it, the stock that we saved. We're going to add it in. Now, our plan is not to add a lot of water to the rice, because jollof rice does not need a lot of water to get done. Do it till it just gently or just barely covers the top of the rice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get a new set of foil. Okay. So, and cover it like this. Then trying to our aim is to trap as much heat, as much steam as we can. So we're just going to let this cook gently, not much disturbance at all. Let it cook for, let's say, 15 to 20 minutes first. That is the next time we're going to check. Right. Whew, let's do this. Now is the time when you can add it, because it's still cooking. add it later, it will taste like it didn't penetrate the rice. Do you get it? And try not to, when you're stirring, try not to pick up the bottom. We're now going to add in tomatoes and butter, which just helps to, give it back the shine that it lost. I'm drying out. I won't mix it in too much because I still want it to stay non-stop. Or even like 15 minutes more again. So that's going to be like a total of 30 minutes. Let it cook a bit more and we'll come back. Let's do this. Oh my god. Yep. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? That is pure gorgeousness. I am so excited. And I'm so happy it turned out well. Because this video is long and if it's not turned out well, I don't know what I'll show you people. Okay. Come through, jollof rice. Come through. I see you. To plate this, but before we plate this, we're going to make peppered chicken to go along with this, so we can have the complete Christmassy vibe to this. Let's go. All right, so some oil. Okay. It's quite optional. That we put aside from the jollof rice. Okay, so we're just going to cover it and let it cook until it's dried up. It's fried enough. Yeah, adding some chopped peppers. And just cover and let it cook for just a little bit.